Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by defining one clear monthly goal and two supporting objectives. This narrows focus instantly. Next, collect your fixed obligations so nothing surprises you: bills, recurring meetings, deadlines. Once done, open a single calendar and one task app and import events. This consolidates time and reduces friction. Make sure to pull current metrics, revenue, hours, progress, so you can set realistic weekly targets. Do this now. The plan depends on precise inputs. You then decompose the month into 4 weekly milestones and assign concrete daily tasks. This makes progress measurable. Next, block specific time for deep work, admin, and a weekly review. Time blocking preserves momentum and prevents context switching. Once scheduled, assign owners or take personal responsibility and attach one KPI to each milestone so you can judge success. Make sure to sequence critical tasks early in each week. Early wins create compounding confidence and reduce lag. You execute by doing short daily check-ins and a focused weekly review against your KPIs. These signal drift fast. When you see slippage, reduce scope or reallocate time immediately. Small pivots beat late panic. Once done, document lessons and reset the next week with updated targets. If things go wrong, pick one troubleshooting action. Shift time blocks, drop low-impact tasks, or escalate blockers to a stakeholder. This preserves the plan's momentum and ensures continuous delivery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.